Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn Easy. In this video, we will do certain questions on the topic special quadrilaterals. So these questions are very useful and we have provided you with complete solutions with the explanations. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel by pressing up the bell icon. And don't forget to share this video with your friends so that everybody gains the benefit. Let us start special quadrilaterals, and in this we will be doing certain word problems. Let us start first to understand which all are the types of quadrilaterals available to us. So in the first you can see I have drawn as ABCD. So this quadrilateral is called as parallelogram. If I talk about this blue shape, it is called as square. So this is called as, we will let you know, this is called as rectangle, where there are two opposite parallel sides, and then we have a trapezoid which is opposite, only one pair of opposite sides we have. So this is a shape called kite. So these are some of the examples of the special quadrilaterals which we will solve word problems related to them. Alright, so you can write down this as examples of special quadrilaterals. Alright, so the formulas for these quadrilaterals which we have done just now is area of a square. Area of a square is side square. Area of a kite, which I just mentioned, is half into the product of diagonals. Area of parallelogram is base into height. Then we have area of a rectangle, which is length into breadth, and area of a trapezoid is 1 by 2 base plus 1 base 2, that is sum of the parallel sides and multiplied with the height. So this is very important for you all to understand that what are the formulas to solve the questions on quadrilaterals. Let us begin with the first question for the day. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Now first we should know what is the shape. Find its area if the parallel sides, that is base 1, base 2 is given to as 1 meter and 1 by 2 meter, and the perpendicular distance which served as a height is 0.8 meter. So this is the figure which we have drawn, right? Let us start with the solution. First step will be base of a triangle. Now what are the bases of the triangle? In order to find the base of the triangle CE plus FD, right? So this is 1.2. We need to find out, so this will be 1.1, 0.1 and 0.1. So we have got a 0.2. So base of one triangle is 0.1 meter and height of the triangle is 0.3 meter. So what we are doing is, these two are considered as a right angled triangle, right? So this and this. So figures marked as 1 and 2. Then in the center we have a rectangle. Yes. So we will do as area of rectangle, which is figure number 3. So area of triangle is equal to area of triangle BDF, that is your figure 1 plus figure 2. So found out the area, found out the second one. Now area of rectangle, so that is length into breadth, 0.8. Therefore, so this will be my ATQ statement, that is according to question. Area of a table is equal to area of triangle ACE, adding all them, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. I got as 0.88 meter square, which is my final answer. Alright, let us move to the next question. Now here again we have a trapezium. So here the area of the trapezium is given to you as 34 centimeter square. Length of one of the parallel side is 10 centimeter and the height is given to you as 4 centimeters. They are asking you about the length of other side, that is base 1 is known to us, but we do not know the base 2. So we have to find this base 2. So my formula again, I have all the values So area of trapezium formula, half into sum of parallel sides into distance between its parallel sides. So when I put down the value, so this is the area. Yes, this is one of the base. Say, let us say this is base 1 and this is the height. When we put down the values, come to as A, which is 7 centimeters. So the length of parallel side has become base 2, which is 7 centimeters, is my final answer. Alright. Okay, let's move to the question number 3. Please watch this video till the end if you want all the solutions for these types of questions, and they are definitely there in all the exams which you will be appearing soon. Length of the face of fence of the trapezium is given to you, that is the 120 meters. BC is given to you, CD is given to you, AD is given to you, and you are supposed to find out the area of this field. Now, how do you find out the area of this field? Let us understand. So, length of the fence. Now, this is not fence, this is fence. Okay. So, length of the fence of the trapezium is given to you. That means fence means this length is the perimeter, and perimeter means length of all the sides, sum of all the sides, AB plus BC plus CD. You put down the value and found the AB to be 15 meters. Now, in order to find out area of the field is half into length of the parallel sides into half base. Now, that means we knew this side, we knew this side, we knew this side, but we did not knew this side. So, we found this side using perimeter, and now we are supposed to find the area with simply insertion of the formulas AD plus BC into AB, right, and put down the values, and we will get the answer as 660 meter square. Okay. Let's begin for question number 4. So we have 11 questions in total. The diagonal of the quadrilateral shaped field. Now this field is in the shape of a quadrilateral, and you have been given with the say diagonal is given to you. Yes, and diagonal, the length of the diagonal is given to 24 meter, and the perpendicular which are dropped from opposite sides are 8 meters and 13 meters. They are asking you to find the area of the field. So this figure was already given to you in the question, right? So let us see how we can see. So if I talk about these, this is a right angle and this is also a right angle, right? We know the base. If we know the base, now if I use the formula for area of a quadrilateral, this is the new formula. So please remember it. So area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, that is area of triangle ABC 1, area of triangle ADC 2, because this base AC is common. Okay, then so again half into half will come out to be common. AC, which is the side which is common in both of them. So sum of the heights, we got the answer as 252 meter square. Do leave the comments if you have any queries, and if you're liking this video, please keep hitting the like button and share with your friends. Alright, let's begin to question number 5. The diagonals of the rhombus are 7.5 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the area. Now this is the shape of a rhombus. Now formula for rhombus is, area of rhombus is, we'll add two triangles. One is triangle ABC plus triangle DCB. That means half into CB into AO. Okay. So that is, we are adding and using the formula, that is area of the triangle as half into base into height. Right. So after putting the values, we have got 45 meters square is the final answer as area of rhombus. So please make a note of this formula. Now we have question number 6. Find the area of the rhombus whose side is given to you. Now this is a double question. Why it is a double question? Because you have been given with the side, you have been given the altitude, which is the height, and one of the diagonal is given to you. So here class, we will be applying the two formulas. The two formula for area of rhombus will be, first formula is half into D1 D2, that is half into the product of diagonals, and second Let us see. So length of the diagonal, let the other diagonal be x. Okay, when the length of the other diagonal is s, and obviously every rhombus is also a quadrilateral, so we will again base into the height is the second formula. So what I will do is, with base into height I will find the area, and once I found out the area, then I will put at area is equal to half into d1 d2, where product of diagonals is d1 d2, diagonal 1 diagonal 2 multiplied, and I got the value of x as 6 centimeters, which is the value of diagonal 2. So this is my final answer. Alright. Question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 300 tiles, okay, which are rhombus shape. Rhombus shape mark करेंगे. Diagonal is 45 centimeters and 30 centimeters. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost is per meter square is 4 rupees 4, right? Okay, so this is the shape of a rhombus, alright. So area of rhombus, first again with the same procedure, we'll split it into two triangles, area of ABC, that is triangle ABC, this one, and triangle BDC, right? Found out the area of rhombus. Now area of rhombus is also the other way around, triangle ABC plus triangle DCB, right? Okay. Then area of each tile is 675 meter square already. Area covered by 300 tiles will be multiply area of one tile with 300 meters, 3000, right? So we've got as area covered by, it was in centimeter, we converted into meter. Please make a note. The cost of polishing is given to you is meter square, that's why we have converted. Okay, then 1 meter is given to you, multiplied by 4, and we've got the value as rupees 810. Okay, alright. Then question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to twice the side. अगर साइड एक x है तो दूसरी साइड क्या हो जाएगी x by 2, right? Twice. If the area of this field is given to you, and perpendicular distance given to you, and to find the length of the side along the river, that's why basically you have to find the value of x. So how I'm doing, let the length of the field along the road be L meters, length of the field along the river be 2L meters. तो इसको इन्होंने ऐसे नहीं करके they have done it as 2 times the x. That's also correct. Area of trapezium half into, applied the formula, put down the values, calculated the length, that is L is equal to 70 meters. Now length is given, first length we have got as 70 meters. So second was 2 times the first, so 2 multiplied by 70, we've got 140 meters is the length they are asking for. Alright. Question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of a regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. Now octagonal means how many sides? 8 sides. For 8 sides, area of trapezium. Now what we have done is we have divided this figure into 3 parts. First is 2 trapeziums on the upper 2 half, and third one is the rectangle. So if I want to calculate area of this octagon, right? So one is area of a trapezium, 1, area of rectangle 3, and area of again next trapezium, that is 2. Since the side of the regular octagon is 5 centimeters, we are putting the values to find area of trapezium. If I found the area of one trapezium, that is equal to the, because equation 1 is equal to equation 2, both the areas are equal, same trapezium, yes, both these, all the sides are equal, right, because it's a regular octagon. Then rectangle we have found out 55 meter. Now once I have found out, so area will be equation 3 plus equation 1 plus equation 2. Figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. And values 119 is the correct answer for the area of a regular octagon. Alright. Question number 10. There is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita to define the area of this park using both ways, and can you suggest some other way? So this is the park. Jyoti's diagram is like this and Kavita's diagram is like this. So if I talk about Jyoti's diagram, right, this is Jyoti's diagram. Area of pentagon, right? Area of a rectangle EG, okay, GFCD, GFCD minus 2 area of triangle AGE. Now AGE is where? Yes. So 30 meters into 15 meters minus 2, right? I found the area of pentagon, right? Alright, if I talk about Kavita, this will be answered by you all in the comment section. Please answer it in the comment section so that we can find out the answer for this. It's not complete. Okay, let's begin to the last question for this video, that is diagram of the adjacent picture frame has outer dimensions given to you 24, 28 inner dimensions. So what you will do, find the area of each section. All the sections are in the shape of a trapezium, right? So first step will be to find the width of each section, which is the same, right? Here also the area of section ABEF, right? ABEF. So this one, the shaded one, is equal to this. So I have applied the formula of trapezium, right? So that is half into AB into HE. Then 80 meter square. Area of, again I have found out for other section, 96, 320, right? So add up all of them to get the area of the required sections. Each section you will get the separate area, right? So thank you friends. So these are my various answers for this. We will get 4 answers because we have 4 sections, right? So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends, and you can find us on Facebook as Learn Easy. Thank you friends.